Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Door of Knowledge, and today's our topic is basically damping in RLC parallel circuit. So we are using a source-free RL circuit, and we are going to do the transient analysis in multisim and observe the effect of damping coefficient in a parallel RLC circuit. For this purpose, our circuit diagram will be like this. As you can see that all three components, resistor, inductor and capacitor, are connected in parallel circuit. So we can apply Kirchhoff current law in the circuit, and as you can see that if we apply the Kirchhoff current law, V is equal to V upon R plus 1 upon L V dt plus C dV upon dt is equals to 0. So after solving the above equation, we obtain the following equation, and its solution is available in the William Hyde Engineering Circuit Analysis edition 8, page number 323. So we get this solution S square plus 1 upon RCS plus 1 upon LC. I'm not going to drive here as I'm going to go for the practical work, and I'm going to analyze this circuit, and also I'm going to observe the damping coefficient in this circuit. So if you apply the quadratic formula on this equation, we will get the natural frequency, which is omega is equals to 1 upon square root LC, damping coefficient alpha is equals to 1 upon 2 RC, and damping factor depending upon the alpha and omega naught. Okay, so this is a little bit summary, and it's a table for you, so you can use the exact equation for the exact circuit. Right now we are using the parallel circuit, and we have to apply 1 upon 2 RC in alpha. And as you can see, they have three conditions: overdamp, critical damp, underdamp. For the overdamp, alpha is always greater than omega, and for the critical damp, alpha is equals to omega. In underdamp, alpha is less than omega naught. So if you are using the parallel circuits, you have to use 1 upon 2 RC, and if you are using the series circuit, you have to use R upon 2L. This scenario is same for all these three conditions, as you can see here. And omega naught is remains same in all the conditions if you are using parallel circuit or series circuit. Okay, so to find R1, as you can see, we have not given an R1. We have capacitor of 1 microfarad is given, inductor of 10 millihenry given. So how are we going to find the R1? So here we consider that alpha is equals to omega naught, and this is the basically the condition of critical damp. So in critical damp, alpha is equals to 1 upon 2 RC, omega is equals to 1 upon square root LC. So we can compare this equation, and we get a value for the R, and R will become 50 ohm. So it's quite easy to calculate this resistor here. So let's try to build this circuit on multisim. So I'm using multisim 14 version. In basics, you need a capacitor of 50 ohm, capacitor of 1 microfarad, inductor of 10 millihenry. And need a voltage source. We are using a pulse voltage source, and we also need a ground here. Our circuit is almost complete. Now we have to describe the initial value with 0, and the final value will be 5 at the pulse speed of 5 millisecond, and time period will be 10 millisecond. Okay, we all set. Now go for the transient analysis part. And in output, I'm going to select the V2 and now run. Okay, so here you can see this is the basically the voltage across all these things, and we can observe the current as well. We can go here and observe the IC1 run, Okay, now this is much better. Okay, so this is basically the damping factor here. Now we are going to change the resistor to 100 ohm and observe the under damped condition. This is the under damped condition, and if in under damped condition, what will happen? Alpha will become, as you can see in here, as you can see, alpha will become less than omega ohm, omega naught. So for this purpose you have to increase the value of resistor, and if we decrease the value of resistor from 50 ohm to 10 ohm, the condition we will observe is overdamped condition. So we can observe that thing as well. Let's move towards 10 ohm and observe it again, run it. This is overdamped condition. Okay, let's remove this one and observe it on V2. So this is for the overdamped, critical damped, and for the underdamped. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like my page and subscribe it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.